my channel. So today I thought to do a haul video because I have recently shopped a lot. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into my haul. Starting off, I bought few clothes from W. I love this brand. They have amazing collection, like amazing. I bought my sister these plazos, which are again amazing. As you all can see, they are very pretty, and to match up, shirt which is there, I mean the tunic is this one, which again looks flawless and it fits her like a dream. Trust me, it's amazing and I guess everyone should buy it. I'm not going to mention the prices, however I'll write them in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So these were the clothes which I bought for my sister from W. They have an amazing collection, so please do go check it out. They are fabulous. Next I went up to Anne and I bought this amazing t-shirt which I again love. This is a peachy t-shirt and it has those bell sleeves and everything, and this looks amazing on me. You'll see pictures of this on my Snapchat, so don't forget to check that out. I mean, follow me there. Next up, I went to Zara. I went to Zara to just buy a formal tee, but I ended up buying two t-shirts if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, first let's get into the formal tee which I bought from Zara. This was the tee which I bought from Zara. This is very pretty, guys. It looks so chic on me. I just love it. It fits like a dream to me. It has this zebra lines and going on with a collar and has this at the back. And yeah, I love this top. Like, I can't describe how pretty this top is. So yeah, Zara top. Next I got this balloony t-shirt from Zara again, as I previously said. This also is very amazing, guys. Like, you have to see, so flowy, it's everything. It has this black open back open thing at the back, and again it has those balloon sleeves going on. I am into balloon sleeve these days because it's so hot here in Hyderabad. So yeah, this was the tee which I bought from Zara and I love this. This looks so pretty. I guess everyone should have something flowy and what is called JoJo in their collection. So yeah, this was the top which I bought of Zara. I went to Max. At Max I bought only two shoes for me. First up is this one. These are nude shoes which I like. These looks very pretty on my feet. I wanted a nude shoe type of ballerina thing. This is type of a loafer, I would say, and I love this. This looks very pretty on me. Next up, I bought these flats from there. Just basic simple flats with some glitter thing going on, and I bought this just to wear it everywhere. So I bought this so I could wear it everywhere where I want. Sorry. So these were the two slip-ons which I bought from Max, which I actually I guess who doesn't love Forever 21? They are amazing, and I guess everyone has something or the other from Forever 21. Starting off, first thing that comes to my hand is this mirror from F21. I bought this mirror to just do my makeup and everything, and this looks so cute and pretty, right? Next thing which I bought from Forever 21 is again a balloony type of top with bell sleeves. Yeah. So this is like a crop top thingy going on with a big V-neck in the front, and it has these retro type of belly hands going on. Next up, I went to the store which I can't live, and I know everyone loves the store and they will keep loving it, and that is MAC. Like, everyone loves MAC. Who doesn't love MAC, right? So I went to MAC. I actually bought the things which I was about to finish, which are compact powder. This is the Select She Pressed powder. I bought this from MAC because I'm running out of it. I need to back up, so I got this one compact from MAC, and the amazing water which MAC produces, MAC Fix Plus. Like, I guess everyone should have a MAC Fix Plus, and this is the bottle. It smells, it stays, it's everything. Like, it smells amazing, it looks amazing. When you apply this, when you just spray it after your makeup, it looks flawless, guys. I guess everyone should invest their money in this. Next up, I bought two shoes was from Veg Roots, and these were from Coos. I don't think they are available still, but if they are, I'll definitely leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So yeah, these were the one pretty pair of shoes which I bought from Coos. Next, which I bought, next wedge I would say, which I bought from Amazon, are these nude pumps again. I'm into nude these days. I gifted one pair to my friend, another is with me. I love this so much. It looks again very pretty. I'm into nudes. As previously said, my Max one also was in a nude color. Even this is a nude color. I guess everyone should have a nude hingy in their collection. I'm talking about collection. Even I am building my collection. Yeah, with that we completed our haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you all did, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. To subscribe, only thing you have to do is just click that red button down there and you will be subscribed to my channel and you become part of my Romanian family, which I am growing up. So yeah, this was the haul.